Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the crystal type because installation pressure and adhesives differ. Once done, remove the strap and set the crown to the correct position so movement is safe. Use a soft cloth under the case to avoid scratches and keep screws organized in labeled trays. Make sure to work in bright, dust-free light. Small particles will ruin a seal. Begin with the case back removal using the appropriate opener. Do not force threads. You now remove the old crystal carefully because rough handling damages the dial and hands. If the crystal is snap-fit, use a crystal lift to pry evenly from opposite sides. If it's pressed, use a bench press with correct die sizes to avoid cracking the bezel. Once released, lift straight up. Do not twist. Clean the seating with a soft brush and blower and check the gasket groove. Replace the gasket if it's brittle, since a good seal prevents moisture ingress. You place the new crystal in the seating and dry fit to confirm alignment. It should sit flush without gaps. Once positioned, use the press or apply the recommended adhesive sparingly. Follow cure time if using glue. After seating, reinstall the crown and test winding and time setting, then close the case back to spec. Finally, verify for dust and proper seal visually. Troubleshooting tip: if fogging appears after assembly, open immediately and dry with a desiccant. Then inspect for a compromised gasket or trapped moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.